Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options. Today we got $500 on our balance right now. The currency pairs I already picked out, and today we'll try to make from $3,000 or $4,000. And therefore we'll make a withdrawal. Well, I'll start with $250. Trade, I want to keep a small margin in case trade ends up at loss. However, it doesn't happen often. So our first target is $1,000, and then we can make a good amount of profit. Let's pick out our indicators. The first one is going to be the keltner channel, and the second one is MACD. We are going to play on 1 minute time frame. That's why we set the fast period 6 and the slow period 13. There we go. The main indicator will be keltner channel. Mostly we are gonna look at this one, and the MACD signals will be complementary and enhance our signal. We are gonna play from moving average. You should forget about this indicator. It's very good, and I'm okay with this histogram. And let's start our trading session and find the most promising currency pair for a good trade entry, guys. For using MACD, there is gonna be a good trend. We've got to see the trend clearly, and let's do that now. Set the daily chart. So, and basically we see good trends without flats, and less analysis. So there are good directions everywhere. Here the flat take place, and there is nothing to do. Set a minute chart, and let's look for the better one. Okay, let's open a short position here. We focus on MACD on the first place. We see that there are where the downtrend before, and I'm gonna show you guys up to what point I mean it. Then the price movement starts going up, low volatility movement, but still it goes to the upside. I think there is a small correction takes place, and the price started going down from this resistance level according to the keltner. And on the MACD indicator, the bars of histogram painted red, the crossing from the above has happened, and they tell us that the price moving is going down. That's why we open the short position, guys. And as you can see, the price is moving downwards, exactly as I told you guys. And our position is in a profit more than $200 plus, and we got $723 on our balance. Let's put down $350 at trade amount and find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's take a look. Here we open a long position. We've already detected the entry point crossing of the moving average did happen. That indicates the growth. We see that MACD is gonna go to the upside also. Also update of the bottom points did happen. And we see the breaking down from the inner channel to the outside, and then we are likely to see the pullback, and the price movement should enter the channel again. That's why we opened the long position. Now we see candles, low volatility. This candle is also gonna be green and the position should be closed in profits. There are 5 seconds left before the closing. And the position has been closed with a profit, guys. We got $1,000 on our balance, and let's refresh the page. The page was refreshed. Let's open a $1,000 trade and find the better currency pair. Of course, I try to focus more on the MACD, but there is really weird movement take place. That's why the keltner channel is more helpful in this particular situation. So we open a short position because we see the histogram painted red on the MACD indicator. I think the price should go lower because the resistance zone played out here early on. There was the uptrend, and this is likely to be a correction in the zone. And I think the price should go to the downside because the crossing from above has happened in the zone. Look, here we could of opening a long after the crossing, see, and the price start going up. Like here the crossing is going from the top down. That's why we open a long position, guys. There are literally 10 seconds left before the climax, and I think the trade is gonna be in profits. Very confident price movement. Finally we played out perfectly from the MACD, and we are in the profits again, guys. We got almost $2,000 on our balance. There is no stopping here. There are $2,000 more to go. I think we need 2 or 3 trades in order to achieve our goal, and let's find a good trade entry. Well, let's open a long position here. I think in this case the chart has some direction. Early on there are where flat, and the MACD is not gonna show us anything good. We see nothing but crossing but the channel. Keltner channel is helping us out here. We see the breakouts and descent, pullback, good correction, touching the channel upper boundary. And I guess future we are likely to see the price going. That's why we open the long position. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing, and I think the breakout should happen on the last second, and the position will end up in profits. And let's just watch, guys. The position has been closed with a profit, guys. We got almost $3,000 on our balance, and I think we open a final position and make a good profit. And let's choose our currency pair. So let's see, we need to open a final trade, guys. Here we see the crossing of the maximum points. Here is the flat, and I am in 2 minds if we should open here. Theoretically, oh no, let's hold off and check out the currency pairs. I think here we should open a long position. I'll explain the principles, trade entry. The crossing of the MACD from above took place here, and also the moving average. The histogram, if facing upwards, updating of the maximum points has happened. The support zone played out here, and also we see the correction from the zone into the outer channel movement according to the keltner. And according to all this, the price go to the upside, and we open 2 long position here. I think we should expect the breakout on the last second and our position will end up in profits. There are literally 10-15 seconds left before the closing, and let's watch. The first position has been closed at loss and the second one in profits. So like I said, the first position is at loss and the second one is in profits. I've watched the situation of the market and I don't want to open it right now. There is a flat. Let's change the currency pair and find the better trade entry. Here we see the strong movement to the downside, and let's hold off opening here. Here is flat opening, here is also a bad idea. So let's take a look at here. We open two short position, guys. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. Here we see the histogram painted red and see the reversal on the MACD. In this case, we look more at the keltner. Here is a breakdown. Did happen. We see some kind of flat, but the price movement is more downward. As we saw before, then we see this pullback up to the in channel part of indicator. This zone has played out and the price should go to the downside, guys, exactly as it goes. It looks like and the trend gets downward direction and our position should be closed with a profit. And yes, our position had been closed in profits. We got $4,300 on our balance. That's the outcome we got today, guys. With the help of these indicators, if you're interested, then try them yourself, guys. And let's move to the withdrawal. Write down $4,000 Bitcoin address, press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our withdrawal is processing. There is $380 left on our balance, and of course I will touch the screen where it's done as usual, guys. Thanks for watching. Press the like buttons. Good luck on trading. Bye bye.